Hi, welcome back to my roof, and for part 2 of Fiddler on the Roof, somebody has helpfully suggested we name these videos. We're not up here just because it's a nice sunny day, although obviously it is. We're up here because we're exploring whether there's an alternative way of sharing information between a roof survey company and contractors, and also the facilities managers, other than the traditional report-based approach. So what we're interested in doing is creating a collaborative workspace between those parties, which enables basically map information to be overlaid by site plans, and on top of those potentially aerial drone-based survey information if one of those is being used to do an aerial survey, and then finally to complement that information using 360-degree photospheres, which are collected using a camera like the one behind me. These can be connected together so that later on, from the comfort of your desk, you don't need to pop up to the roof like I have done today to check the results of the inspection. You can basically walk the rooftop a little bit like Street View from the comfort of your desk, and within that view see any information about assets or remedial works that a contractor, for example, has recommended be undertaken. So please take the time to read the video below, read the blog below rather, and just one final thing. If ever we move into sewer management systems, please don't expect me to be doing a video like this from a pipe 6 feet under the ground. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.